guys, welcome to the How-To channel. Today I am going to show you how to clean your old white sneakers. As you can see right here, these white sneakers have a lot of dust buildup on them, and we want to remove this dust buildup using one simple item. The goal is to restore original white color as good as possible. First, we are going to remove these shoelaces and this sneaker insole because we can clean these parts in a washing machine. Now we will use a wet cloth and we will wipe all the dust and everything that we can wipe off these sneakers. Next up is to apply a simple toothpaste on your sneakers. The trick with this toothpaste is toothpaste usually has a lot of chemicals in them, so basically all of these chemicals will get inside of this texture and it will help to dissolve the dirt and this moisture that you have on your sneakers. Now put fine amount of this toothpaste on your sneakers. Make sure to cover all dirty areas with toothpaste because the toothpaste will for sure remove the dirt from this area. Use old toothbrush to scrub that toothpaste a little bit deeper in your sneakers. Now it depends on how dirty your sneakers are, but this process can take up from 2 to 5 minutes. Just make sure you rub that toothpaste all the way in your sneakers. Alright, now that we have these sneakers all soaking wet, we have two possibilities. We can take these sneakers and put them in a washing machine like this to make sure to clean the bottom, to clean the insides also, or we can just take a wet cloth, rinse it with water a little bit and try to remove all of this toothpaste from your sneakers like this. For this procedure we will use a wet cloth just to see what is the finished product of this experiment, but I would recommend to you to take your sneakers and put it in a washing machine because that way it is much easier to clean the bottom, also to clean the insides, to have a perfectly clean sneakers. You have to rub it with a cloth a little bit more because there's a lot of toothpaste right here. I for sure didn't spare the toothpaste. Let's check the final result. As you can see, this is the clean sneaker. There is no more dirt on it. It looks just fine. This one right here is the old one, actually the other sneaker, but it's dirty. And compared these two, as you can see, this edge right here is much whiter than this one over there, and of course this area right here is much better than this one right here. Here is a much more brownish color on there. There you have it, guys. A simple trick with a toothpaste can help your old dirty white sneakers to look like a brand new. Now I have to do the same procedure with the second one, but that's for another day. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have found some value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so you can help more people. And if you are interested in any other cleaning solution, check out these suggestions right here. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.